guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So this video is just like a random video. I was packaging some of my clients' wigs and I just wanted to record myself doing it. And so these are the wigs. So they're wholesale, and this one is going to US. This one, this other one is going to, actually this client is from Congo. It's going to Lodwa so that it can go to I don't know how she's going to do it, but she's here from Kenya. I'm sending it to Lodwa and then it will go to yeah. So here they are. These ones, there are 33 pieces in here, and then remaining 17 pieces that I have to add them later. And then I added 4 extra for her because she's my good client, a return client. She's been buying from me wholesale. So these, I'm just going to weigh it just in case I was the one shipping them. I just want to see the weight, like just to weigh them. And so this is the weighing scale that I always use. And yeah, so let me just put it there. It's let me try and balance it. It can't be 4 kgs. Let me do it again. So let me just oh, I think because of this part right here. So sometimes guys, you just have to make sure like this weighing scale is balanced so that you don't end up writing the wrong weight. So right like that, it's supposed to be 0 right here. As you can see, it's 0. So I just put it there. And this is 10.5 kgs. So I'm supposed to add like 17 pieces, so it will come to like 13 or 14 kgs. So that is it. But for this one, like I told you, I am not going to send it to myself. I'm just going to send it to someone here in Kenya, and then she'll send them to yeah. So here you go. And then this other one, this one is going to US. So I actually wanted to send these wigs like in a sack like this, but then I was told I can't send them like this. I don't know, I have to put it in a box. But now when you put it in a box, it's going to be expensive. So I'd rather put it in like DHL flyers and then send them like in different flyers, yeah, instead of putting it in a box. And then also some of my clients have been telling me like, I shouldn't put my wigs in a box. If you put it in a box, it's going to be expensive. But I always put my wigs in a flyer. So for this one, there are 50, there are 56, they're supposed to be 58. So I'm supposed to add like 2 wigs right here. I'm not done with them, but I'll add 2 wigs in this, not in this bag, but I'm supposed to add 2 wigs for her. So I just want to weigh them, and then I'm going to package them in like 10 flyers, 10 or 12 flyers for this one. Yeah. So let me just weigh them. This one is it's almost, I don't know why it's not balancing. Oops. So guys, again, when I weigh my wigs, I have to make sure the weighing scale is on the floor like this, not on a mat. If you put it on a mat, it's going to be like the weighing scale, the weight is going to be different. It's going to be lower than the actual weight. So I always make sure it's on the floor like that. And then I'm going to just put it like that. This one is 11.6 kgs. It's 11.7. I have to add two more wigs. So for these kgs, I have to put them in like also I think 5, 6, maybe 6 DHL flyers, 6 or 7 DHL flyers. Yeah. So again, if I ship it in the 6 flyers, shipping fee will be cheaper for my client compared to if I decided to put it in a box or send it like this. Like this, it's going to be expensive. And then the good thing with me, I have discounts, so shipping for my clients is cheaper compared to if you just decide to go to the office and ship them yourselves. So I always prefer to ship for my clients, especially maybe clients who are here in the country, Kenya. Some of them prefer to ship them themselves, but the one thing they don't know is that shipping themselves, deciding to ship the package yourself, it's going to be expensive. You'd rather use me to ship your package, okay? Yeah, so guys, these are the wigs, and I'm going to pack them in. I was actually supposed to, I was planning to pack them tonight, but I'm not going to pack them tonight because I have the flies that I have to use right now. The flies that I have right now in my house, they are very, very small, and if I use them, the packages will be so many. So I have to wait until Monday. I have to communicate to my client and tell her I'll have to ship them on Monday. Today is Saturday. I was actually planning to send them today or tomorrow, but since I don't have the flies right now, the ones that I have, they are very, very small, so I have to wait until Monday to pack them. But yeah, this is how they look. So let me just show you the flies that I have right now. Yeah. So guys, so I think right now, guys, I am so tired. And actually this week I got so many wholesale orders. That's why some of the orders have been delaying. And thank you guys for your patience. I really have good clients. Some of them, I just tell them like, just be patient. So because sometimes when wholesale comes in the middle of the orders, it kind of delays other orders. Yeah, and then I can't skip this client just because I can't skip this client and go to, maybe she ordered last week and then I go to complete an order for someone who ordered like a week or 2 weeks later. So let's just try and follow the line or the queue. Yeah. So thank you guys for your patience. Thank you for ordering my wigs. I really appreciate. For return clients, I really appreciate. I love you so much, and I really appreciate the positive comments. So guys, if you ordered my wig before, just leave a review on my website. I really appreciate, because I realized most of my clients don't leave reviews on my website. They just text me and tell me, oh Sharon, I really love the wig, and then they can't order again, but then they don't leave a review on the website. If you leave a review on the website, it's going to help other people to know, like, you know, this girl is actually selling and people are buying from me. Yeah, so if you just leave a review on my website, I really appreciate. So guys, I am so tired, and right now it's, what time is it? It's 9. So it's 9:20. It's 9:20. So I think I'll sleep like in the next 3 hours, because I have to finish other orders. I have to create tracking numbers and all that. Yeah, so guys, I think that was it. This was just like a random video, and I just want to appreciate you guys for your support, for watching my videos, for everything, guys. I love you so much. Nawapenda sana. And what else? Yeah, that is it, guys. Love you guys, and bye.